everyone, I am Osima Biswal. Today I will discuss about the short run average cost curve. In last class I have already discussed about the short run total cost curve. However, the cost concept is more frequently used both by businessmen and economists in the form of cost per unit or average cost rather than totals. We therefore pass on the study of short run average cost curve. First, I will discuss about average fixed cost. Okay, average fixed cost is the total fixed cost divided by the number of units of output produced. Therefore, average fixed cost equal to total fixed cost divided by Q. Q represents the number of units of output produced. Thus, the average fixed cost can be obtained by dividing total fixed cost by the level of output. Okay, since the total fixed cost is a constant quantity, okay, average fixed cost steadily falls as output increases. Therefore, average fixed cost curve slopes downward throughout its length. As output increases, total fixed cost spreads over more and more units, and therefore average fixed cost becomes less and less. When output becomes very large, average fixed cost approaches zero. Okay, average fixed cost curve AFC is shown in this figure 1. Okay, it will be seen that average fixed cost curve continuously falls throughout. Mathematically speaking, average fixed cost curve approaches both axes asymptotically. In other words, the average fixed cost curve gets very nearer to but never touches either axis. The average fixed cost curve AFC possesses another important property. Okay, if we pick up any point on the average fixed cost curve and multiply the average fixed cost at that point with the corresponding quantity of output produced, then the product is always the same. This is because the product of the average fixed cost and the corresponding quantity of output will yield the total fixed cost, which remains constant throughout. A curve with such property is called rectangular hyperbola. Okay, now I will discuss about average variable cost. Average variable cost is the total variable cost divided by the number of units of output produced. Therefore, average variable cost equal to total variable cost divided by Q. Q represents number of units of output produced. Thus, average variable cost is variable cost per unit of output. Okay, the average variable cost will generally fall as the output increases from 0 to normal capacity output due to the occurrence of increasing returns. But beyond the normal capacity output, the average variable cost will rise steeply because of the operation of diminishing returns. The average variable cost is shown in figure 1 by the curve average variable cost, which first falls, then reaches a minimum, and then rises. Average total cost is the sum of the average fixed cost plus average variable cost. Okay, therefore its output increases and average fixed cost becomes smaller and smaller. The vertical distance representing average fixed cost between the average total cost curve and average variable cost goes on diminishing, and average variable cost curve approaches the average total cost. Okay, average variable cost bears an important relationship with the average product per unit of variable factor. Let Q stands for quantity of total product produced, L for the amount of the variable factor say labor used, and W for price per unit, and AP for the average product of the variable factor. We assume that price of the variable factor remains unaltered as more or fewer units it is employed. Okay, total product or output Q equal to AP into L. Average variable cost AVC equal to total variable cost divided by Q. If total variable cost equal to L into W, average variable cost equal to L into W divided by Q. L into W divided by Q. Since Q equal to AP into L, average variable cost equal to L into W divided by AP into L equal to W divided by AP equal to W bracket within bracket 1 by AP. Okay, so average variable cost equal to W bracket within bracket 1 by AP. Thus, given the price of the variable factor W, the average variable cost is equal to the reciprocal of the average product 1 by P is the reciprocal of AP multiplied by the constant W. Okay, average total cost equal to total cost divided by output, or average total cost equal to total cost divided by Q. Total cost equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Okay, so average total cost equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost divided by Q. So average total cost equal to short run total cost divided by Q equal to total variable cost plus total fixed cost divided by Q equal to average variable cost plus average fixed cost. So average total cost equal to average variable cost plus average fixed cost. In next class I will discuss about short run marginal cost. Thanks for watching.